Welcome to Project Ivara. This is our recent launches. We'll be having luxury homes here, 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs, and 4 BHKs. Talking about the connectivity, as you can see over here, we are standing right now at the Clubhouse 1, which will be starting here, and the site will be towards your right hand side. Talking about the Eon Free Zone, which is hardly 500 meters from our project. If I talk about the major schools we'll be getting over here, which is Podrar, one of the biggest international schools in Pune. Then we have Euro School, which is hardly 500 meters, 600 meters from our project. If I talk about this Copa Mall, we have the biggest and the largest malls in Pune. We do have Almirana, we do have Seasons Mall over here. If I talk about Kharadi Chowk and major IT stores, since most of the product-based companies over here, scattered over here. We are talking about Eon IT Zone, World Trade Center. Then we do have Barclays company over here, which is hardly 15 to 20 minutes from our location. Moving towards our model, we do have our sites catered over 14 acres of land, out of which 12.83 is buildable. We have that carpet area. Talking about the acres, we have 6 acres of landscape, which is catered over the amenities. We have 11 different towers, out of which B, E, G, and K are recently launched. We have a premium sector tower, which is Tower K, in which we'll be getting 4 BHKs and 3 BHKs. We have total 5 flats over here. If I talk about rest of the towers, we have 8 flats per floor on these towers. Talking about the amenities, we have the biggest amenities, which is given in Pune residential area. I talk about Clubhouse 1 and Clubhouse 2. Clubhouse 1 is sort of a structure which is G+1 sort of a structure. Moving towards Clubhouse 2, it is G+2 sort of a structure, and we have 1 acres of large area, which will be an oval Maidan sort of a structure. Yeah. So talking about the amenities, we have half Olympic size sort of a swimming pool, out of which you'll be getting jacuzzis, we'll be having charging pots over here, and we have small pockets of green cover which is scattered all over the area. Moving towards this side, we have a kids play area which will be having Epidium flooring, which is of rubber. If I talk about another area which is having a small green pocket scattered all over, you'll be having multi-purpose court, you'll be having the senior citizens zones. So what we have launched over here is we are trying to cater all the age groups, right from the toddlers to the senior citizens. We are trying to cater all the age groups. So moving towards this side, we have a water fountain deck which will be having a huge sort of area wherein you can relax, you can chill. Then we have small pockets of sitting. We do have charging ports over here. Moving towards this, which is, you can see over here, we have an open gym wherein senior citizens can come. They'll be relaxing. They'll have large area to move across. Moving towards this area, this dedicated area, gray zone, is for your water treatment plant. That is for your electrical substations that will be coming over here. Moving towards this part, we'll be having the clubhouse. As you can see the detailed view over here, it's a business center that is scattered all over 20,000 square feet of land. This is usually for all the IT people that have a majorly hybrid sort of a structure. So they'll be coming over here, they can just relax, they can use this space. We do have various freelancers that they don't want to invest in a particular space. So for investment purpose, if they don't want to do that, so we have dedicated a 20,000 sort of area which will be dedicated for this part. Just have to do a booking and can register to save a space for us. Then we have dedicated washrooms given over here and a play area which will be chill zone wherein you can play if you are just bored from work. So we have dedicated that sort of space over here as well. Moving towards this sort of area, we have Clubhouse 2 that will be on the ground floor. We are giving gym which is 10,000 square feet. That is the highest that we are giving in the Pune's residential sort of area. You must be knowing Cult size sort of a gym, which is usually, so that size it's 2x size of what the Cult size is offering. Then herein will be having a reception, we'll be having yoga rooms, we'll be having, so if I talk about this, it's a squash room wherein major of the celebrities are into this sort of a sport. So we have given squash room, we have given dedicated badminton sort of area. So this entire will be on your clubhouse, which will be on the ground floor. Talking about this clubhouse, which is on first floor, we have given a Mediterranean sort of a restaurant. Usually IT people, they usually come late, usually come after 9 to 10. hours of duty. So we have catered into a place so that they don't need to go out of the society. They don't need to step out of the society. We are giving each and everything, whatever you need to live your lifestyle apart from work. So you just have to, once you are in the society, you just have to step out only for your work. Rest all is what we are offering with this project. Then this sort of area, we are giving a terrace sort which will be open, which will be rooftop. So this is what we are giving in this restaurant. Moving towards this, it's the bar counter with washrooms and pantry area. So this was about clubhouse, which will be on first floor. Then moving towards this area, which is the oval Maidan. So that is catered over 1 acre. So you'll be usually citizens usually go out for cycling, for roaming, for running. So this dedicated space we are giving, where we have no construction sort of a zone, which we usually call here as oval Maidan. So this is dedicated for that sort of area. So yes.